Yep, today is all about using the rear brake. I've readjusted it so it's a little bit higher, makes it much easier to use while you're standing, and I am just going to concentrate on using the rear brake all day today. Let's see how it goes. My biggest fear is that I'm just simply going to forget to use it. Not that I don't want to, I'm just going to forget. You know, bad habits, you just fall back on them if you don't think about it. So I'm going to do everything I can to use the rear brake today. That was fun. So we'll see how it goes. I really have no idea how this is going to happen. I'm probably going to ride horribly because I'm going to be concentrating on the rear brake and not thinking about everything else I should be thinking about. Oh, yeah, I forgot to use it, but now I am. So you're going to hear that all day long. Whoa! Ah! Well, that's not a good way to start the day, but I'll take it. It's cool. I knew this was coming. It's a really sharp bend. Comes down and there's another sharp bend here. So I was going to try and do it motocross style, sitting down with my leg out, but then I remembered, I got a brake. And then it messed me all up. Okay, let's keep going here. I've also noticed that it's really loose today. Wow. Everything is really dry. The ground is super dry, and you know, this has just a full layer of moon dust all over it. You know, very fine dirt. And I'm slipping and sliding everywhere. So yeah, traction's going to be at a premium. Something tells me my leg muscles and my foot and everything are going to be sore tonight because I'm not used to using these brakes, using my foot this way. Wow. I'm not sure I'm going to use the brake all the way down here. Well, I'm going to try. This is the steep section and it's really loose. Oh, no. I'll have to watch the video, see just how much I'm locking it up, but it feels like it's completely locked up. About 90% of the time. There we go. It does help stabilize the bike. I could feel it. But once it starts locking up, it unstabilizes the bike. Well, that's what happens when you keep locking up the rear. Yeah, I just couldn't hold on to it. I was counter steering the rear slide. I thought I was going to make it, and then I just lost it. So I really was trying to use that rear brake. Man, I just wouldn't give up on it. I had it locked up. I'm pretty sure I had it locked up. I guess we'll be able to see from the video how I was handling it. Come on, get up. There we go. It's really, really hard not to just smash the rear brake. I gotta develop much more finesse. Even when you need it quickly and you want to jab at it, you still got to jab at it without locking up. And I think that's going to be a skill that's going to take me a little while to learn, obviously. But I'm not giving up. I could already see all the benefits of using the rear brake. It really does kind of stabilize the bike. It kind of helps it squash down and squat a little and makes it more stable. Besides the fact you just got more stopping power. And I don't know what it is. I used to use the rear brake on my DRZ 400 all the time. It's when I switched over to the KTM here that for some reason I just kind of stopped using it. I don't know why. Which was a really bad thing to do. I just got to get back into the habit of using it again. Every single time. Wow, I'm really curious to see if the rear is locked up. It must be locked up right now. Wow, this is soft. There's zero traction. I think I have the front and the rear locked up there. It's also interesting when it's sliding, it seems to slide down into the ruts, which then kind of, it has something to follow and it makes it more stable. That's interesting. I never thought about that. Whoa, up here. Camera got the tree. Oh, yep. Woo! Not again. Jeez. Wow. Oh, that was quite a climb, but wow, I smacked that. Big time. But I am learning there are still times where you got to get off the front and the rear brake and you just let the bike go. Even if it's just for a split second. It really does make a difference. Relax. Yeah, that's pretty dang steep. I'm not sure if I locked up the rear end, but it definitely kept it under control. Well, I consider today a tremendous success. All I really wanted to concentrate on was practicing with the rear brake and trying to get comfortable with it. And I got to tell you, by the end of the day here, I'm using it almost every single time. I've actually developed a feel for it. I'm not locking it up every time I use it. I thought it was going to take longer than that, but I've kind of retrained myself pretty quickly. Obviously I got a long ways to go, but I'm pretty happy. All right, this is Colin. I'll see you guys later. As much fun as it is to watch these videos, why don't you get on out there and make your own adventures? The memories you make will last you a lifetime.